What's good, everybody? It's your girl Lady Red, and I am back with another video, a review video. Today I am going to be reviewing one of Wingstop's sandwiches. I have the garlic Parmesan chicken sandwich. I have some garlic Parmesan chicken wings and the veggies on the side. I'm not reviewing these. I'm going to be reviewing the sandwich. The garlic Parmesan is my favorite out of all their flavored wings. So why not go with the sandwich first, right? I have some blue cheese back here. I have my glass of ice and my salsa water on the side. So let's get into it. Let me get my sippy sip. Always good. Alright, you guys, so let's get into it. I am going to start with some wings. Oh, look at these wings, y'all. Oh my God, they are my favorite. So bomb. So how are you guys doing? What is up? What's going on? I miss you guys. If you don't have anything to eat or drink, pause the video and grab something to eat and drink. Eat with me. Don't have me eating by myself. I'm telling you. Which flavor is you guys' favorite from Wingstop? Like I said, mine is the garlic Parmesan. I love it. So good. And I love blue cheese. More than ranch. So you guys, I am coming off my 7-day super fast that I do 1 week out of every month. And it's demon time. You heard me? Demon time. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna get into this sandwich. This is the garlic Parmesan chicken sandwich. We're going to see what's up with this. I hope it tastes as good as the chicken. This is what the inside is looking like. Got the pickles. You got the garlic Parmesan dust on top, I'm sure. Toasted bun. It's all good. Let me put out. Should I bite it like this first, or I want to put some blue cheese on it? Let me taste it like this first. All right, I'm going in. It's okay. I don't taste too much of the garlic Parmesan dust like I do on the wings, but it has a good flavor. That's different. I love the bun. I'm gonna put some blue cheese on top of it. I was super excited about this. The sandwich is good. It's really good. I enjoy the flavor. However, I'm a little bit disappointed because I thought it was going to taste like the wings. It doesn't taste like the wings. I don't really taste any. I don't taste any garlic Parmesan at all on it. It tastes like a plain seasoned chicken sandwich to me. So, like I said, I'm a little bit disappointed in that because I was super excited about that. I thought it was gonna be similar to the wings here, but nope. A rating from 1 to 10, I will give it a, I give it a 4, a solid 4. Only because, like I said, I'm disappointed and I thought it was gonna taste similar to the chicken wings. Like, I thought it was gonna be like if you take the garlic Parmesan, the meat off the bone, and put it in a sandwich and you got yourself a chicken sandwich. I thought it was gonna have that type of flavor, you feel me? But no, it didn't. It disappointed. But it's still good. Like I said, it's good like if you want a regular seasoned chicken sandwich, but I don't taste any garlic Parmesan on the sandwich at all. So that's really disappointing. Here's where it's at. Mm-hmm. So good. Mm. I'm so mad about that sandwich. Because I said garlic parmesan is my favorite for their flavor of wings. And I just knew that the chicken sandwich was going to be bomb. Oh, excuse me. So, my original plan today was to review the Wendy's Italian chicken sandwich and Italian cheeseburger, right? I placed the order. It got all the way up to them telling me that the dasher was picking up my meal, for them to tell me I'm too far. And that they were refunding my money. And I don't understand that, because I've ordered from that Wendy's several times in the past. Now I'm too far. So frustrating. I don't know what that was about, but they DoorDash need to get it together. Then when I tried to use, because I order from DoorDash, Grubhub, Seamless, and Postmates, you know, depending. And I tried to order also from DoorDash and no, Grubhub was the one that told me I was too far. Now I see a past order from them. I've ordered from them several times. So I went on my other phone and ordered from DoorDash, and they said the same thing. So I don't know what kind of shenanigans is going on, but I was super frustrated because I really want to taste those two sandwiches. And you guys, I don't drive anymore, so I can't just go get. If I was driving still, I would just go out and get it, but I don't drive anymore. So good, except for that. Well, I'm not gonna say except for the sandwich, but I'm just disappointed in the garlic parmesan taste, flavor. When I tell you I was excited, I was excited. Anyway, what is going on with you guys? What are y'all up to? What have y'all been doing since I've been gone for the past 7 days? I'm telling you, these are bomb. If I could learn how to make my chicken like that, I'd be a happy camper. So are you guys ready for Thanksgiving? What is going on with y'all Thanksgiving? What you doing? What you cooking? Who you visiting? Who you eating off of? What's going on? Let me know. Me, I am super excited about this Thanksgiving. I don't know why. I kind of know why, but I'm just super excited about this Thanksgiving. I did all my shopping today for everything that I'm going to be making on Thanksgiving or for Thanksgiving. One thing I'm super excited for, which I'm always excited for, is my 7 cheese baked mac and cheese. Can't wait to make that. I can't wait. Excuse me. Then I'm making 2 new recipes, homemade. I always make my mom's cornbread stuffing dressing, and that's with the cornbread seasonings and the chicken gizzards. But I'm gonna do something a little bit different this year. I have a different recipe that calls for chicken, the chicken broth, celery, a bell pepper, onions, all that. I'm gonna film the making of the stuffing dressing for you guys. And then I'm super excited about making my homemade cranberry sauce. Yo. I always get Ocean Sprays canned jellied cranberry sauce, and I like it. It's good. I love it. But when you can make your own cranberry sauce, it's even better, and I cannot wait to make that. I'm gonna film that as well. You guys, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to make these 2 different recipes, because the majority of my family and my household, my son doesn't like the stuffing. He doesn't even like stovetop stuffing. I believe, except for my son-in-law, all of my kids don't really particularly care for the stuffing. Maybe it's the chicken gizzards. I don't know. Maybe it's the texture. I don't know. But I got a surprise for them. And if they say they don't like this new recipe, we're going to have a problem. You understand? We are going to have a problem. Like, come on now. I can, like, taste it right now, just off of the ingredients. I'm not making a whole turkey because Every year it goes to waste. My oldest, she's out on her own. So my 2 babies are here with me. And they don't really like leftovers. I don't understand that. Leftovers are bomb, especially like the second day, the third day, you know, the seasonings and everything gets to marinate, and it just tastes so much better. So a whole turkey tends to go to waste over here. So instead of doing a whole turkey, I bought turkey wings. So we're still getting turkey, but not a whole turkey, just gonna have some turkey wings. So all I'm making is, and I have a new way that I'm gonna be making my candied yams too. But so I'm making candied yams, the turkey wings. I have 2 whole chickens that I'm making. Of course, I'm making my collard greens. I'm making potato salad, macaroni salad, baked macaroni and cheese. That's it. I was gonna try to attempt to make my mom's homemade rolls, but that's gonna take some time because you know that involves yeast and all-purpose flour, and you gotta let it rise, pop it, rise again, and I don't want to have a fail. So I got some Hawaiian sweet rolls on the side, and for the homemade rolls, I'm gonna try to practice in between Thanksgiving and Christmas and maybe see if I can get it for my Christmas dinner. But that's all I'm making for Thanksgiving. And I want to make a dessert. I want to make a red velvet banana pudding. Different. I want to make that. So what are you guys making? What dish are you looking forward to eating for Thanksgiving? And you guys know for the drink, I'm going to have some Sprite. And I like apple cider, apple juice. I don't like the apple juice itself, but I like apple cider. It just tastes better. This was good. Alright, you guys, I'm about to get up out of here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share, guys. Sharing is caring, so do me that solid and share. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching. I'm Lady Red, and I'm out.